Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be participating in a black and white elegance tablescape. And this tablescape is hosted by Fabulous Designs on a Budget, which is Marilyn's channel. And it's co-hosted by All Things Luxe by Robin, which is Robin's channel, and IStyleMystyle, which is Cheryl's channel. And I'm going to list all their channels down below in the description box along with the playlist. So if you love black and white colors, this is the playlist for you to go check out. Now, if you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Now let's get going and let me show you what I'm doing. Now, to begin with here, I'm using our black and white, which was our requirement for this challenge, and it needed to be elegant. So what could be more elegant than these beautiful magnolia flowers? I have this centerpiece jar filled with magnolias, and then I have complimentary napkin rings that are also the magnolias. And so that really adds the extra touch of elegance to this tablescape, in my opinion. Now you can see here, I'm using this beautiful scarf with this animal print on it, which is in blacks and grays and whites. And I don't know if you remember, but a couple weeks ago, I told you that I was buying several different scarves and I was going to start using some different scarves on my tablescapes. And this is one of those beautiful scarves I bought. Now, besides the scarf and our magnolias, I also have this beautiful stemware. I'm using my pure black stemware along with my crystal stemware. And I just think they look so pretty together. And then I'm using my silverware. And like I mentioned before, this is silverware that used to be my grandparents', and my grandmother gave it to me, and I use this a lot, but I just love the silverware. And then right here, I'm adding in this beautiful silver charger, and I actually just picked this up at the thrift store. They had these for 50 cents a piece, and I picked up a set of 4 of them. And I'm loving those. And on top of that, I'm adding in this black dinner plate from Dollar Tree. And then on top of the black dinner plate, I'm adding in one of Dollar Tree's white salad plates right on top of that. And I love the way that looks. If you've watched very many of my tablescapes, you know that I absolutely love Dollar Tree's black dinner plates. I use these all the time. I just think they're so pretty. And Dollar Tree just has some great buys for their dishes. So I love using Dollar Tree dishes. Now, beyond my place setting, I have my magnolia napkin ring on my linen napkin. And I thrifted my linen napkins, and then my magnolia napkin rings, those were originally $6.99 from Hobby Lobby, and I picked those up a couple weeks ago in their 90% off aisle, and so I only paid 70 cents a piece for those magnolia napkin rings. And they're just beautiful, and they fit perfectly with these magnolia flowers in my centerpiece. And these centerpiece flowers, these are actually a bunch of magnolia flowers that I picked up at Walmart. And that whole entire bunch was only $5. It was such a great deal. And then the vase that I have those sitting in is a vase that I actually picked up. It's actually a ginger jar, and I picked it up from Goodwill, and it was so horrible looking. You're not going to believe what it looked like beforehand. And hopefully later this week, I'm going to get a video up showing the before and the after, and it looks just beautiful now. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned later this week, and hopefully I'll have that video up. Then also in my Magnolia centerpiece here, you can see that I added in some fairy lights just to give that little bit of extra sparkle. And then back behind that, I have these black candlestick holders with some white candles on them. And those black candlestick holders back there in the back behind my centerpiece, those are also thrifted. And here's a little bit better look at my place setting once again. And everything on this table was so inexpensive. I hope this encourages you guys to try your hand at different things, putting different things together, because really this whole place setting cost me like $2.50 for these place settings, and they look so elegant. I absolutely love the way it looks. You add in the napkins along with that, and it maybe cost me like maybe $3.50 for the napkin rings and the napkins and the whole entire place setting. I also thrifted all of my stemware as well. Now, the little black candles on the table, those actually came from Dollar Tree, but the candles inside the little votive holders, those were thrifted as well. So the majority of the stuff on this table is actually thrifted or from Walmart or Dollar Tree. And of course, the napkin rings, like I said, were from Hobby Lobby at 90% off. Now, my salt and pepper shaker were also thrifted, and those are just so pretty. And here's a little bit closer look at our magnolias in our centerpiece, and then kind of an overlook of everything here. I think it's all looking so pretty. I really enjoyed doing this tablescape. I love working with blacks and whites. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching.